Hello everyone, Francesco here. Very scary day because we're launching Bento and we've just started launching on, whether you can see, Product Hunt. Flip it around. We just pressed the button on Product Hunt this morning. So exciting, but flipping nerve-wracking at the same time. As you can see, I've never lifted a camera and vlogged in my life. We just wanted to say whether you could grab a moment and support us on Product Hunt. I'll include the link in the description below. Yeah, it'd be amazing to have your support. We'll post a little bit later today about the inside of the app, sort of helping to explore it and things like that. I think you're going to find it really, really attractive. So links will be in the description. But we are live now on Product Hunt. How scary. Anyway guys, thank you very much. See you soon.